Hello students, how are you doing? We meet again. It's me, Andreani from Binus University. And our program is Be Proficient in English with Binus. First, let's look at our learning objectives. At the end of the session, you will be able to break down the components of an exposition text. And the second one, you will be able to write an exposition text. And this one especially focuses on the second one. Are you ready? Let's review a little bit. I guess you still remember the purpose of an exposition text. If you write an exposition text, so you want to persuade the readers to follow your point of view. And don't forget some important points that you should have in your exposition text. So the first one, again, your opinion. The second one, you have to support your opinion with arguments. And the last one, you should close it with a conclusion or reiteration. This is an example of an exposition text, and I took it from the link below. Okay, so please look at the sentences. What do you think? Can you notice that there are some errors and you can make it much better? Okay, so please read it for a while. I will read it aloud for you. Every house must have organic and inorganic waste. If we don't separate food waste and plastic waste, it can cause unpleasant odors. Even though organic waste can still be recycled into fertilizer. Likewise, plastic waste can be recycled. Disposing of two types of garbage in one place will make it difficult for cleaners. Okay, so please look at the sentences. What should be changed to make it better? Yes, you are right. Yeah, so the first one, we can see there is an incomplete sentence. The third sentence is incomplete, even though organic waste can still be recycled into fertilizer. Yeah, so please look at this one. This is the revision, and it's actually the thesis statement of your exposition text. The first sentence remains the same. And then the second one, you have to combine the second and the third. If we don't separate food and plastic waste, it can cause unpleasant odors. Then you can use conjunctions. Besides, food and plastic waste can be recycled. However, another conjunction, throwing two types of garbage in one place will make it difficult for trash cleaners to sort them out. So what do you think? Is this one better than the previous? Yes, you're right. Yeah, so this is your thesis statement. Your opinion that every house must separate organic and inorganic waste. Now look at the second one. Yeah, do you still remember? We should support the thesis statement with arguments. So this one is the first argument. Please read it for a while. And as the first one, I guess you have to analyze it, and later on you have to revise it. Which one do you think can be revised? Okay, so I agree with you. The first one may be the word likewise. Yeah? Okay. How about this one? So this is the first argument. Again, we combine, we combine the first and the second sentence. Organic waste, comma, such as food scraps or rotten vegetables, should be separated, and they can be recycled into plant fertilizers. Moreover, this is a conjunction, rotten vegetable waste can be used as animal feed. Therefore, when we dispose organic mix with inorganic waste, we can also make it difficult for the trash cleaners. So I guess this one is clearer. Yeah? Okay. Now please look at the next paragraph. The instruction is still the same. Please read it carefully and try to revise it. So, do you think you can correct some of them? Okay, yes, you're right. The last paragraph is incomplete. Yeah? So it begins with, so that the cleaners have no trouble sorting the garbage. So this one is incomplete sentence. And it's not good. You have to make it a complete sentence. So let's see. If both garbage are dumped in the same place, it will smell unpleasant. So you may change the word bad with unpleasant. Moreover, if there are trash shards of glass, it can injure the cleaners. It would be better if we separate these two types of waste so that the cleaners have no trouble sorting their garbage. Yes, I agree with you. This one is better. Yeah? So this is the second argument, and we close it with conclusion. So this is the original conclusion. For that, we can separate organic and inorganic waste so that we can recycle our household waste according to its type. Yeah. So maybe you can change it a little bit to make it, much better, yeah? Any suggestion? Okay, how about this one? For that, we should separate organic and inorganic waste, and we can recycle our household waste according to its types. So we delete another conjunction, yeah, but we use here by doing that, yeah. By doing that, we make it easier for the cleaners to pick up trash from every house and to sort the waste. So that's the conclusion that supports your thesis statement in the first paragraph. Okay, so I do hope that this one is clear for you. So I would like to remind you that if you write an exposition text, then you begin with your opinion or thesis statement, and then you support it with arguments and you close it with conclusion. Now, I would like you to find a topic and write an exposition text about it. You have the freedom to choose any topic you want. Okay, so practice makes perfect. And remember that if you learn with pleasure, then you will never forget. Okay, students, thank you for watching. So see you next time.